Hello and welcome to my third tutorial, or I think. Well, as you see now, again, so today I'll just be going more into the features of Google Sketchup. You'll also may have noticed that when each time I click it's yellow, and when I right click it's red. That's just new. So, of course, there's still that thing in the middle here. I can't get that away without paying. Sorry about that. Hope it doesn't bother you too much. So today I'll just be looking closer into the features. So just make a normal square, which is about there, I think. No, there we go. And here when you click on here, wait, just pull it up as high as you want, and so then zoom in a bit, orbit around it so you see it from the side, or you could just click on one of these standard views. Then bring this, find the center here, you'll see this, and then just slowly come up and you'll see this dotted line. Bring it up as high as you can, and then down again. Now if you look, it's like that. Then a line from, I'm actually gonna turn this around a bit. So from there, go to the middle, up. And center, go up. And also make that meet. There we go. And then from there to there. So you now have some sort of house shape. Now I'm just gonna show you a new tool that we haven't been using very much. It's called the offset tool. Just select what you want to offset and then use the offset tool to offset it from any angle you want. So let's say I want to offset this triangle to about this much. So you can deselect it and you now have a triangle that has been offsetted. Let's just quickly measure this. 24.1 centimeters, that's good to know. Then go over to the other side, or actually, you know what? Press X-ray mode, make X-ray mode, then take the push-pull tool, take this new thing, and drag it until, let's say that there. Let's just see how far that is from the side. So now if we go out of X-ray mode, you'll see that. What you want to do is take, sorry. Actually, you know what, cancel that. Sorry. So I've canceled that. Let's try again. So what we're going to want to do is go into X-ray mode. Then look at it exactly from the side. So that would be front, exactly like that. So do you remember the number 24.1? So here what we're going to do, we're going to select this and that and that, and keep it in X-ray mode while you're at it, because you might need it. Take it, then 24.1. Let's get something, okay, 24.1 centimeters, enter, there, and that's exactly the same. Now since we're in X-ray mode, and you've kept it like that, make a line from there to there, and then escape from there to there, and orbit around it, and then make a line from there to there. Now come out of X-ray mode, select this face, delete it, then select this. Now actually, if we look carefully at this, it's bigger on one side than the other. You can kind of see that it's slanted, but that's probably because it wasn't measured correctly. Go from there to there. Yeah, it's 30.2 centimeters. It's not actually exactly what we were looking for, but you know, what can you do? I'm gonna delete guides. I'm gonna get back out of X-ray mode, so now you have a sort of line through the middle of it, which is kind of nice. And now you're gonna want to select all of those. I'm just gonna make them inversed. So now it's white inside. And so let's just make like a, you know, have you ever seen those attics that stick out of the house? I'm gonna go just about from there to there, about from the center. Wait, I'm gonna open it up from the side, the center up. That's about. Delete that. You may be wondering why we're doing this, but you'll see there's a point in the end. So let's just say about there. That's kind of straight. Then you're gonna want to make a line that's equal in this direction and equal in that direction. So let's say this is 20 centimeters is there, and there is 20 centimeters. Sorry. So now you're gonna want to delete this. And you made that line for a reason, don't worry. Then you're gonna take a line and you're gonna select from here and then on the blue axe up to about there. Up, and I want it to meet with that, and at the same time on the blue axe. Then line from there to there. So now do we have a flat? Yes. Flat, and then find the center, go up to about there, go down, there, down, there. So now you have this thing. Now take the line tool and go in the red direction until it snaps with the face. Then again with this, and in the red direction until it snaps with the face. Escape this until it's in the red direction and it snaps with the face, which will take a bit to here. Then connect them. There. I don't know why that's not working, but still. This, there to there, there. Oh, okay. So, we do have sort of that type of thing. If it still doesn't work, just go along the lines, and then from there to there, connect that to that, and that to that, there. Doesn't seem to be working right now, but kind of looks good somehow. Wait, let me try something. And also, don't be afraid to try, because after all, this is really a program where you only do try. So that doesn't really seem to be working. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try something new. I'm gonna delete all of these lines. Select this, go until there, until there, and there, until there. Let's just put a rectangle over this. So now we have a sort of roof that looks kind of nice. Then of course with the color tool you can always color it. I want to make my house kind of funky. Just making it weird, random colors. Of course you can do whatever you want. Also in this brick thing, there's all these drop down menu, and there's plenty of things. If you go to translucid, there's these transparent things, and you select it and you can kind of see through it, although there is something on it. That is also pretty cool. If you go to water, there's transparent water like that, and you can still see through it. I think that's kind of nice. Also, if you have a nice water, you like this one, and you want it to be more like see-through, because right now, as you can see, it's not see-through. You can slowly drag it, and not like that, because then it's 100% see-through, but something more like there is nice, or you can play around with it. I mean, not so much that you really can't see it, just remember that. Also, not so much that you can't really see that it's see-through. So that's about good, about 50%. That's it for this tutorial, and so see you next time.